judged as a sinner. But because he was sinless, hell and the grave could no longer hold him down. And on the third day, Jesus rose from the grave, defeating hell and the grave. Did that very hell that we all deserve, Jesus came and bore that price for you and for me. There's no greater love than this, that one man would lay down his life for his friends. Let alone he would lay down his life for an enemy. Jesus came not to condemn the world, he came to set the captives free. He came to give life and life in abundance. He is our high counselor. He is our hope and our salvation. He is God of glory, God of grace and God of mercy.